Google just dropped the biggest AI updates of the year at I/O 2025, and these hacks will change how you live, work, and create. Want to know the future of AI in under 10 minutes? Let's dive in. First up, Gemini 2.5 Pro, Google's most advanced AI model yet. It's faster, smarter, and now powers everything from search to coding and creative tools. Gemini 2.5 Pro tops all major benchmarks and can even complete complex tasks like coding entire apps or beating classic video games. Yes, it finished Pokemon Blue on its own. But wait, Google's AI isn't just smart, it's everywhere, and it's about to make your life a whole lot easier. Meet AI mode in Google Search. It's a total reimagining of how you find information. Now you can ask super long, complex questions, and Search breaks them down, pulls from the entire web, and gives you a complete cited answer. Need a personalized trip plan, deep research, or even to buy event tickets? AI mode can do it using your Gmail and Drive with your permission for tailored results. Visualize stats, shop smarter, and even try on clothes virtually with a single photo. Gemini isn't just an assistant, it's your personal, proactive AI. With Gemini Live, you can talk to your phone, share your camera, and get help in real time. Agent mode can actually take actions for you, finding apartments, booking tickets, or scheduling appointments. And with personal context, Gemini tailors its help using your Google apps, always under your control. Ready to create? Google's new generative AI tools are about to blow your mind. Google's generative AI suite just leveled up. Imagine 4. Create stunning images with perfect text and detail. Veo3 generates photorealistic videos with sound, dialogue, and even special effects. Musicians can use Lyria 2 for high-fidelity AI-powered music. And for filmmakers, the new have access to Flow, a tool that combines Veo, Imagen 4, and Gemini, letting you direct, edit, and produce entire movies with just a few prompts. Project Astra brings eyes, and memory to your phone, letting you ask questions about anything you see. Project Mariner gives AI the power to use your browser and apps to complete tasks for you. And Google Beam, the new 3D video platform, transforms video calls into lifelike, immersive experiences. And it's coming soon to enterprise users. But what about hardware? Google's bringing AI to your face, literally. Android XR is Google's new platform for wearables, smart glasses, and headsets. With Gemini built into these devices, you get hands-free AI help, real-time translation, navigation, and even music, all from lightweight glasses designed for wearing all day. Partnerships with Samsung and Gentle Monster mean stylish options are also coming soon. For developers, Gemini 2.5 Pro and Flash make coding, debugging, and building AI apps faster than ever. New APIs let you generate images, audio, and even run background tasks. For everyone else, AI-powered inbox cleanup, smart replies in Gmail, and use of Gemini in Chrome to summarize and compare web content on the fly were key points. So, what's the big picture going on at Google I/O 2025? Google's AI is everywhere, and it's only getting smarter. From fighting wildfires with satellite AI to helping the visually impaired navigate the world, Google's AI is already making a difference. With 400 million Gemini users and 1.5 billion people using AI overviews in search, this is just the beginning. You can bet the future will be more personal, proactive, and filled with powerful AI, helping you every day. That's your Google I/O 2025 News Highlight Brief. Which of Google's useful AI hacks are you most excited to try? Drop your thoughts below, subscribe for more useful AI hacks, news updates, and tutorials. And don't forget, this is just the start. The future is here. See you tomorrow at 11 a.m. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Useful AI Hacks for weekly updates at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss an AI update episode. Have a question or want us to cover a specific AI topic? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time with more useful AI hacks, AI industry updates. Until tomorrow.